It's a 2009 Acura MDX. 3 rows of luxury, entertainment, and precision. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, voice activation, AC power outlet, dual zone climate control, rear camera parking sensor, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, high safety scores, high-tech toys, powerful engine with decent fuel economy, and relatively large third-row seat for a mid-size luxury SUV. Luxury, performance, Acura. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.